guys, welcome back. Thanks for watching. This is Leslie, and I have a very special review for you today. I was contacted by GoPure Beauty at gopurebeauty.com to do a review on their essentials package. So they sent it to me to take a look at and review and to use. I've been using it for probably about 2 weeks. So yes, I'm delinquent on this video, but I have thoroughly used the products and we can kind of thoroughly go over them and I can let you know my honest opinion about them. First of all, GoPure Beauty. This is a special company that specializes in skincare for women over 40. And I am 41. I turned 41 a couple of months ago. So this is perfect, right up my alley, right? A little bit about GoPure Beauty. They, and I'm reading from their website a little bit here. Made in the USA from globally sourced materials, 100% cruelty-free always, no auto ship, so you order and you pay for what you want. You get free shipping on all US orders over $49, blah, blah, blah. But our products are made with our favorite active ingredients, and these are pretty good active ingredients for skincare for mature skin. Hyaluronic acid, vitamin C, shea butter, green tea, aloe vera, argan oil, rosehip oil, and many others. So you know, if you've seen some of my videos, that I'm a big proponent of having pure ingredients in your skincare that actually do something for your skin and help your skin. And those are all very good things. So we'll go into what they sent me and, you know, talk about what's in each particular product. But also it says no parabens, no artificial fragrances, no propylene glycol, no hydroquinone, I hope I said that right, no formaldehyde, no SLS, and no dyes in our products ever. So they err more on the natural side of everything. And then they also have really good ingredients, and they are made specifically for maturing skin. Now, what I like about this, and this is the box that they sent it in. I kept everything in the box just to keep it, even though I've been using everything, to keep it all in one place and not have everything all over my bathroom, right? What I really liked about this, and this is again, what was it? The Fundamentals Facial Skincare System, the Fundamentals. So it's supposed to give your skin a fundamental foundation, right? Okay, so what I liked about that is you don't have to think about it. You don't have to kind of handpick all these different products and put them together and make your own routine. It tells you what to use in the morning and what to use in the evening. For your morning routine, it says to start with the vitamin C serum. So after you've cleansed your face using and you can, I'm sure, use one of their cleansers, or you can use your own cleanser. After you've cleansed your face, you use the vitamin C serum. You just, put the drops in your hand, rub it on your face. So the vitamin C serum is number 1. Then number 2 is the hyaluronic acid serum. And so that's the hyaluronic acid serum. You use those two together and then you put on a moisturizer afterwards. It doesn't specifically say to do that, but I do that afterwards. So you have your vitamin C serum, your hyaluronic acid serum, then you put on your moisturizer and you're good to go. In the evenings, you're not good to go, because after you put the hyaluronic acid and the vitamin C serum, you use the eye gel. And the eye gel you use morning and you use evening. And so you just pump a little bit on there and you just put that on all over the eye area, and it helps with dark circles, puffy areas, and of course those pesky crow feet. Right, so that's your morning routine. And then your evening routine, you use Retinol Serum. So again, the medicine dropper bottle of Retinol Serum. Love my retinol, and it doesn't just have retinol, it has all kinds of other good stuff in there too. Intensive formula, vitamin E, green tea. Okay, so you cleanse, you put on the Retinol Serum, and then you put on top of that the retinol cream. So lots of retinol going on. Active retinol, vitamins E and B, and green tea. Actually retinol, because sometimes a package will say retinol, but it's retinol palmitate, which I think is a laboratory made synthetic retinol. This actually has retinol in it. So it's not the retinol palmitate, it's actually retinol. So that means you do have to use a sunscreen during the day. And then, so you put the retinol serum, the retinol cream, and then you use again the eye gel. So you have this routine that you're constantly, you know, using day, night, day, night, day, night. And I found my skin to smooth out. And of course, it just feels soft and supple and really, really buttery. I don't know. It just is a really good, like it says, fundamental foundation for your skin. You can add on other products as, you know, as needed or whatever. I kind of use a certain oil. I like to use oil on my skin, so sometimes I'll add oil to my moisturizer and use that. I mean, you can add whatever, and you can, you know, do whatever. But again, the fundamentals right here, right, to give your skin that foundation. So far, I'm really liking the GoPure. It's easy. The fundamental system is $69.95, so it's affordable. It's not outrageously priced. You get the 5 items. You get the 5 items for the $70. So you can also get them a la carte. You can get them one by one if you run out. And there are also other, I mean, individually, these are $16 or $18. These are not like insanely expensive. The retinol is $18, the vitamin C is $16, hyaluronic acid is $16 as well. So, and the eye gel is $18. And you can also get a vitamin C moisturizer, that's $20. There's the retinol face cream is $20. So look, affordable, right? So you get all of them in one package. You just pay one fee at a time. Go ahead and check out GoPureBeauty.com. You actually, if you look down below, you can find a code. You can use the code Leslie to get 10% off of your order if you go and click and use that at checkout. So yeah, definitely go ahead and check that out, because from looking at their website, they really are saying that their whole thing is affordable beauty, affordable skincare for women over 40. So if you over 40 like me, go do it, girl, go do it. All right. GoPureBeauty.com. Thank you so much for allowing me to use your products and to speak about them. I think they're beautiful, wonderful, amazing. And I will continue using them. I will continue using them, and I thank you so much. Again, go check them out, and I will see you guys in the next video, okay? Take care. Bye-bye.